Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Kickstarter unboxing review to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Hope everyone had a good day so far today. Everybody is safe. And thank you guys for watching. And now, I'm about to show you this really cool project that is live right now. Here we go. Coming from Fitrus Plus, the pocket size body composition analyzer. Oh yes, body fat, skeletal muscle mass, basal metabolic rate, heart rate, stress index, skin temperature, and steps. So if you don't know what to get somebody this holiday season, this will be a perfect one to get. Since a lot of people are working outside now. iOS, Android compatible, USB, manual device, Fitrus. Alright, I'm going to show you how it's connected. I got my iPhone. Let me grab it. Hold on. Alright, I got it right here. We got a trusty iPhone. Let's see, for temperature measure, you can simply done by put temperature measure and place Fitrus on your hand. For accurate measure, I place near forehead too. So you can put this near your forehead so it can read your temperature. This little guy. Okay, I'm going to show the phone connecting, and now we're going to see what's inside. Got a cut right there. And cut right there. Got a manual. Ooh, this is a nice looking design. We got the USB right here. Perfect travel size buddy. Always have a pocket charger. If you guys have one, might want to grab one. Fitrus. Look at this. This is a nice little gadget. Okay, I wonder if I need an app. Let me, hold on one sec. Alright guys, once you go onto your app store, let me turn down. Once you go here, type in Fitrus, it's right there. Download, install, bada boom. There we go. I'm going to pause you guys again because you're going to enter your information like your email, your passwords, and all that. So, about 2 seconds. Oh, that was fast. Okay, we got Fitrus. See, use OK, allow. There we go. So, email, password, sign up. That's what we're going to do. You can also use it as a measuring a guest too. So, your partner or your friend. I'm going to do email. Pause you guys. Alright guys, once you log in, you get verified. They're going to send you a like a 4-digit number, and then all you got to do is hit verify, and then go back to the app. And this is what we got here. Accept, allow. So here it is. Pretty simple format to understand. Let's see if I can connect the device. Settings. Wow. All those choices: stress, BPM, friends, notice, settings. Sync. Alright. Let's see if I can turn it on. See if it makes any noises. I might have to charge it. Give me 1 second. Figure this out. Alrighty guys, we got it charged up now. See, we got the Fitrus Plus right there, the nice LED screen. Put that right there for a second. And And start running the app, and make sure you just download it on the Android or iOS. Oops. Here we go. And now we're gonna try this out. Okay, put the phone right there. Stress. Whoa. Which one was that? Temperature? Oh, there we go. Oh, 22 degrees Celsius. I gotta switch settings. Give me 1 second on that one. Okay, once you go into settings, you get options, centimeters or feet, kg or pounds, kilometers or miles, Celsius or Fahrenheit. So I got them switch. Just back out again. There we go. Now do the stress test. I think you just gotta hold. It's going down. I'll try a different one. Okay. Then you gotta press the back button, which is this one right here. Or actually, nope, this one right here. So you go like this, kinda, and hit start. You can see there's a start button right down there. Just gotta press it one time. Shoot. Yeah, it says you can't talk in it. So, okay, turn it on really quick. Okay, start. There we go. So it shows your daily BPMs, and then stress, measuring stress. Okay, turn it on, and then of course same one as that, no talking. There we go. Okay, so we got that covered. Oh, see, we popped up. Pounds? Whoa. Oh, you can just enter that manually. I won't show you guys. That's not country. You can change. Gotta find United States really fast. So this would be a great stocking stuffer coming up for this holiday season. If you don't know what to give somebody, this would be a nice little device they can use on a daily basis and get them better for the new year coming up. Can't believe how fast this year went. Then you can put your height, the gender, date of birth. I could do that later. Body mass, male. Okay, you could do height, weight. Okay, same thing. I'll get in more than that. So you can set up all the way to the goal. You can set your different goals if you want. Right there's a goal, bullseye, target, activity, steps, weight goal, fat mass goal, muscle mass. So it does everything you need in this little device right here, guys. Definitely check these out. Link will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a great weekend, and hopefully see you soon. See ya.